The Honourable Member for Rustico Emerald in the opposition whip.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. It's a pleasure to rise today and welcome everyone to the gallery and welcome everyone back to the House, whether you've showered or not, Mr. Speaker. And I just wanted to say I'm wearing my tartan today. My mother was a Grant, so this is the Grant tartan. Also, Mr. Speaker, I wanted to send a shout out to all those people who are working to get the power back on. Being a Alliance person is a dangerous job and a very physical job, and they do a fantastic work. And Mr. Speaker, I just got a text message this morning from an old friend of mine in Northern Ontario, where I'm from, up on the North Shore of Lake Huron. Their whole family, Ronnie Ouimette, and then his sons Bill Ouimette, Travis Ouimette, and Bert Ouimette are all linesmen. And Travis Ouimette is actually coming to Prince Edward Island from Northern Ontario to help get the power back on here. So I wanted to extend a welcome to him and thank all the people who are coming to PEI to help us out. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Okay, thank you.